Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So one of my friend informed me that he was not able to prepare the input file for the quantum espresso calculation in proper format. So to resolve this issue, what I have done, I have made a public repository on GitHub and I have uploaded all the input and output files of my tutorial. So you can download all the files for reference. Like if you are going to start calculation or making your own input file, then you can view these files as reference. You can download all the files from here. One thing is important that for the execution of particular calculation, appropriate pseudopotential and the software must be installed and should be in correct directory. So these things you have to take care, and all things are available here. So what you have to do, you have I will give this link in uh, description, and you will copy this link and run in your browser, and you will reach exactly to this page. And from over here, you can download anything. Suppose I wish to download the pseudo potential zip file, then I can download it from here. So this is here, and you can unzip like, and you will get all these files. This is bash script file. So all the files are given now, and so it will be easy to you to compare and make these files. So thanks for watching.